The Ferrari Roma has finally come to India a year after its global debut, and the supercar is priced at 3 crore 61 lakh rupees ex-showroom India. The GT design coupe boasts of a completely new styling with the flared fenders, sleek headlamps and body-colored grille. The model is also based on a new modular chassis, and the Italian automaker says that over 70% components are all new on the two-door coupe. The cabin consists of two separate cells, one each for the driver and the passenger. The Ferrari Roma is powered by a 4-litre turbocharged V8 engine that develops 603 brake horsepower and 760 Nm of peak torque. The engine is paired to an 8-speed automatic transmission that sends power to the rear wheels. The Roma spins from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 3.4 seconds, and 0 to 200 km per hour is achievable in 9.3 seconds. The top speed is rated at 320 km per hour. In a bid to discourage plying of old vehicles on public roads, the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways has submitted a proposal to the government to increase the cost of renewal of registration for passenger vehicles older than 20 years and commercial vehicles older than 15 years by 25 times. The annual fitness test fee for commercial vehicles could go up by 125 times than the current prices if the proposal is accepted. According to the proposal, the fitness test cost of a commercial vehicle will be about 25,000 rupees. Meanwhile, the cost to renew a passenger car registration after 15 years will go up by 15,000 rupees from the current 600 rupees. The proposal also plans to increase the cost of renewal fee for 2 and 3 wheelers to around 2,000 to 3,000 rupees from the current fee of 300 rupees. The renewed registration will stay valid for 5 years, after which the vehicle will have to be re-registered every 5 years. Tata Motors has recorded an uptick of 94% in its year-on-year passenger vehicle sales in January 2021. The company sold 26,978 units as compared to 13,894 units sold in January 2020. With respect to month-on-month growth, Tata Motors registered a 15% hike in sales as compared to the 23,545 units that were sold in December 2020. The manufacturer's overall domestic sales, that includes passenger and commercial vehicles, increased by 28% with a total of 57,742 units sold last month. The growth in volumes has been attributed to the company's revamped passenger car lineup, the range comprising the Tata Tiago, Nexon, Tigor, Altroz and the Harrier have seen an uptick in volumes.
Hey folks, I hope you liked this video. Please leave a comment and tell us just how much you liked it. If you didn't like it, well, also leave us a comment so we know exactly what we should be improving. Your feedback is like gold for us.